Hey, this is Don, D.R.C. I'm going to install a Honda engine on my 25-inch California trimmer. I used to have a Briggs & Stratton on here, and I wanted to upgrade it some. So I picked up this Honda engine for real cheap. Got a good deal on it. Put together, and I'm able to just pop a Honda engine on here. Got my bolts and hardware, thick washers. I've done a couple of these. This is tried and true. Sort of like a little kit that I put together. So if you want, you can DM me and I can get together a kit for you. And you can put your own engine on here. Whether it's an old lawn mower or a new one that you painted or you want to start working on one. I always like getting the mechanical parts all together so it runs right, the way it's supposed to run. And then go through, take it apart and paint it. That way you know you don't have to work on any mechanicals or anything like that. You know it already works already. So we have our mounting hardware on here. Got the chain, sprocket, keyway. Took me a little while to find this particular sprocket for this engine. Custom cut the chain for you, so it fits right on there. Comes with the master link. You need an open end on the bottom. Good to go. This is Don with D.R.C. Thanks for watching. Give me a like and subscribe. And then I'll go ahead and put together a kit for the throttle. Cheers.